Hello everyone, welcome to Tony Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And if you're new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on that notification button so that you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please no derogatory comment. Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
I'm enjoying it. But you, what are you doing there? You're abusing me. You're just there like a fool. Me. Ẹ má jẹ́ fi photo passport photo mi yìí wọ̀n yìí o. Àwọn people yẹn máa crop ẹ, ó máa bú mi gan, mú dàbí wíṣẹ́ mi. You know, so Ọlọ́run á ràn gbogbo wa lọ́wọ́. Thank you all for standing. Thank you for checking up on Grexy. Grexy will be fine by the special grace of God. He's talking. He's talking. He's talking. And everyone that wants to talk to him, I'm sorry. His number is not going for now. It's not going for now. And don't worry, ẹ jẹ́ ká wà níbí báyìí. Ẹ yẹ kó ti yé yín, ẹ jẹ́ ká wà níbí. Ká kó máa ṣe prayer wa fún. Prayer la need. Bí brother mi ṣe sọ lánàá pé tẹ́nítì bá ti fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀, baby mi náà dẹ̀ sọ pé tẹ́nítì bá ti fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ bí èmi tí ń ṣe
platform. Baby.
ẹ ti mọ èmi pé mo máa fẹ́ ṣe kan tèmi pápápá ni. Èmi ti fẹ́ ní ó yá jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí n yá ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ká jẹ́ kí hospital bill ẹ̀ kó má ṣe rárá bọ̀tà. Ó ti ní tó bá ti need bí baby mi ṣe sọ, ó ti ní tó bá ti need àwọn máa jẹ́ ká mọ̀ kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. So mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé you all are amazing.
And do you top movie? You can't come up with your
Hey, what's the top movie do? Me and go back to Papa then.
Ẹni tó bá gbèrò kíkè ní bàjẹ́ ó máa gbélé sóde wò inú ò ní bọ́nú ẹ̀ èmi ọba arọmọ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọbọ̀ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kẹ́mi ní bá ti bọ́ ní màá rèsì ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ wà láìka láì tó máa wòrán olùlọ ìṣòro lọ́dún etí ìgbọ̀n màá rèsì ọ̀rọ̀
telling me I shouldn't be angry, and he's still trying to protect that narrative. It can't be.
Me, I cannot find that video. I just tired.
Kill somebody.
I have that video before.
We are talking about a situation, homicide case here, and we are taking it seriously. You are telling us in that event, anything could have happened. It could have been strangled. It could have been stabbed. There is blood. We need to know where the blood is coming from. The only thing an intelligent this guy can say is Wunmi's period. The people that are saying me that I'm angry right now, she don't be on are you guys now going to sit down with me, even if you are supporting Wunmi, that his narrative is correct, that is Wunmi's period on that duvet? Come on. And it's still coming now to tell us a pool of blood. If it's a pool of blood, say then you and be woman, you are here, you do period. This is your period. Does it end up in a pool of the bed sheet? Tampax so àti tampon ò sí ńbẹ̀ ni àbẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀ pátá ni tó bá tiẹ̀ tí pátá bá tiẹ̀ soak ṣé period máa wá end up in a pool of blood and you want us to be sitting down there and be having conversation with this idiot? Oh my God. Anyway, Monica láti ṣe Mama Jab pretty soon. I will just listen for now. I mean, that guy there is an inconsequential, useless to any event, useless to this process, and I'm sure he's useless to his entire family and his entire lineage.
Oh, God bless you, sir. I enjoyed this one.
I dropped my mic.
God bless you, sir. The man is I don't hear many for inside.
I always have a problem with people who have monopoly of violence, who think they have monopoly of violence. And everyone has violence in their blood, especially people who are too quiet. They are the most violent people. You know, this kind of top movie,
when they come with big grammars, when they want to start their conversation, they always have this demure way of starting conversation, and you will look at them that these are reasonable people you can have conversation with, and immediately you just see them switch back to their permanent gullibility mode. Come on, to this stage, you now look at it. I was having conversation with this person. Look at the question that was asked from top movie. Top movie. It should be lowest movie. you were asked a question, just a question. Okay,
movie. We don't hear
show. She wants to show that I told this Baba not to do this. You could have just sat down one place, not go there, and people will now start asking, where they are before they bury this guy. People have been saying, why do you want to go and bury? And yet you went there to sanction it that now. That is the truth. So you will now come, now thinking you can only blame a side. And I didn't know that Oman blame a side, but when Papariano was analyzing it, I realized that no, you have to balance the equation. Me can blame Wunmi, but anytime Wunmi comes to my mind, I would say it that because that's the only person that have brought himself to the limelight to be ridiculed. Yes, Baba brought himself to be ridiculed. That even to that extent, don't get him out. Innocent, because someone who have come to the limelight to talk, and you have someone shading her. She never come out. You still shaded her. Thomas Soro, and the out is no. It's wrong. It's wrong. And then you look at
you're not done, right? Even if we want to support Wunmi, okay, maybe as a human being, as a woman, whatever, as a sister, right? It has to come from our own view, from our own understanding, not by them coming to force things in, force lies into the media just to confuse people. Okay, they think just because they've been hired that they can just go around and control people's thinking and make people believe what is not, to save women. It's not gonna work like that. Okay, it's just better they just stay away, because that is like it's a failed mission. If that is the mission, that is a failed mission. And that's why for me, if they were even fair, if at least they were fair to the man, right? But they are just on attack. And who's gonna let that happen? That's crazy. That's never gonna happen in any sane society. How will you be attacking a bereaved man who just lost his son, and all you do is attacking him? And who is even more wrong here? Who is more wrong? But the people in the house. As long as Wunmi was in that house, Wunmi is never in the equation. It's never can never be equated to Mohbad's father. To those who were never there, those who were there when Mohbad died, they are their primary suspects. They are the one that anybody deserves to talk about, deserve to analyze, not people who later sojourn. So what are we talking about?
Thank you.
And that's going to be the stand. Yeah.
So, Papariano, one thing is that you have a platform that is liberal. This kind of people like top movies. I remember there was a guy that came. The guy is also a Wunmi fan like that. What's his name? He came on your platform that day, and it was good. And at the end of the day, he spoke, and when he started speaking, I think Feyi came or something. When he started speaking, I realized that wow, actually our people here, they just have this interest of Wunmi at mind because she's a kind of widow, and a lot of people are against her. Not that they sanctioned what Wunmi is doing. I saw that in that Feyi came in that day. But this particular top movie is another case entirely. The truth is that when you are wrong, you don't start forming that you are right because you don't want to feel like you are stupid in front of people. No, we all make mistakes. You have joined yourself to a platform, to a gathering. You are not being paid. All you went there to that gathering is your common sense. You went there with your common sense. And when you get to another platform that their own reasoning is kind of superior to your own, you listen. You calm down. You listen to them that, oh, wow, I think these people are having a superior argument. Not that you now start forming some kind of
bàbá lè máa ń pa àwọn tó yẹ pé wọn kì í gba kíní wọn yẹn náà. You now start forming like your head is not there. You start now forming like you are right, whereas everyone on that platform are looking you like ṣé o rí pé o ti gọ̀ bíbá yìí ṣé o rí pé bíbá yìí o sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa mẹ́rin. No, now you keep making yourself more stupid to people that are listening to you. Tó bá ti wrong dákẹ́ o ti tó gbọ́n nǹkan tẹ́lómi sọ. Of course Wunmi kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó fẹ́ mú kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan kan ìjọba náà ló lè mú odò ẹjọ́ tá à ń tó online kò wúnú kankan lára ẹ̀ kò ṣe anything lára ẹ̀. Ìwọ kọ́ ló máa wá láti máa wá change mind wa against ẹ̀ pé báyìí ni ó ṣe yẹ ká máa ronú pa ọmọ yẹn. No, nǹkan tá a ro yẹn ni wàá sọ fún wa pé kò yẹ ká ronú bẹ́ẹ̀ wà ní máa blame wa bá ṣe ń ronú pa ẹ̀. That is not the way to convince people. If you want to convince people, you come with a superior argument. If you have 10 people that are listening to you, not all the 10 people are daft. 3 people may be daft among them. 7 people will still listen to you. 5 people will agree with you. 2 people will stand on the fence.
Now, Joa, I spoke with you and we're having a reasonable conversation. And like I said, if you want me to have a reasonable conversation with you, nothing should be attached to it. When you ask me a question, I will respond to you. And you should be ready to receive my response. That is it. Not when I'm having my submission. Wait now. Wait now. See, this is the problem here now. When I'm not talking and you are cutting me short, you want to make a no verse? Maybe you want to make I just calm down? You want to play me like voice? I cannot be calm now. I cannot be calm because you guys are cutting me short. I cannot be calm.
All right, I'm listening to you now.
But that is just the problem. I am not saying that whatever view that you have is not your own opinion. Fine, it's your own opinion. You can live with it, you can dine with it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. But based on what you said, I was just trying to tell you that you are lacking some information from it. And whether you like it or not, if you don't have adequate information, how do you want to be positive? Because some things will be out there that you don't even know. That was why I referred you back to some certain things that Wunmi said. And it's out there. People are not seeing it. Why not go and check it? Why not go and check the CCTV? I know what you're talking about. Wait. Why not go and check the CCTV? But to you, you said it's not relevant and anything. So how do you want to even get the truth? How?
Now, you ask the question. Because you posed the question, I will answer. You see, I know what you're talking about, top movies. But I am, however, disappointed that you could refer to something that doesn't make any meaning at the end of the day. Because you referred to a Punch news that substantiated that Wunmi and probably Zatan told Baba not to go and bury his son. You are wrong. If you bring that proof outside, I'm not saying it might be in the news and all, but what you are lacking here is that you lack the fact that Punch is not authoritatively saying that. Punch reported somebody. And then when Punch reports that Wunmi said this, does it mean that Wunmi said it truly? Were you there when Wunmi said it? Or Punch reported that we went to ask Wunmi and she said this? No, it's different though.
Wait, can I come in?
Yes.
Okay, now listen to this. All right. Most of those letters that Punch has been releasing via the social media space, even the one that they had to go and they call it the alternative method of serving Wunmi for DNA. They had to do that through this thing, Punch newspaper. You count that one as not valid. Even the court of law. Okay. Listen. Wait. That is the problem. That is the problem. When you talk, you allow me to talk now. What is this one now? You calm down. When you were saying your own, I allowed you.
Calm down, Mister.
No, you calm down. Allow me. Don't be cutting me out. Don't be cutting me out.
When you are saying things that are out of it, you are
listen to me. Even when you said whatever you said, you said something. I wanted to talk. I just left you. When you were saying that what I said was wrong, I wanted to interject you, but I just want to allow you to talk. Because I don't want to just cut you short. So even anything I'm saying, whether I cut and join, whatever, take it the way it is, but just allow me to land. Now, this is what I'm saying. This is what I want to tell you. All right. For the fact that to you believe that particular body of media whatever that those people have reported from a particular person or particular individual, that is false. That is your opinion. Okay, that is your opinion. For as far as we all know, okay, the judicial institution has approved a media as a space of transmitting information. Now, what you will ask yourself is, did she actually grant an interview with those body of media? And that is truth. The honest facts. They went, they interviewed her, and what they reported was what she said. When the police came and they gave their report, the same thing that those people told the police was what they reported. Those media space, you say you don't want to take what the media space are saying. That is your own opinion. But for people that cares to know what they want to know, for them to have a better conclusive part of whatever conversation that they want to put themselves in and make their reasonable submission, they must at least give a fair hearing to any detailed information that is out there. And as far as we all know, that information is out there. But it will be so ignorant for people not to access and evaluate that information. Because how do you want to get a better landing when you don't evaluate several alternatives that is out there that is going to help your case? Even I now further made a reference to CTC, the statement that Baba made under oath, where he mentioned that he did not consult anybody, including the mother of the deceased.
Why you go consult the mother of the deceased before you bury pikin? I don't understand.
I gave 3 instances, not just one.
Not be the head of the house.
3 instances.
Concern my mom Mohbad for inside the matter.
And you still come up and say it doesn't make sense.
Hey.
So how do you want to actually get the sense?
Now you have posed the question, right? Now you just posed the question. Can I come in now? Yeah, thank you. Top movie. You and I know that you are just trying to shift this goalpost. But I would bring it out to you. I will count it in front of you,
that
and I will
video
name you.
that will make blood.
You see, when we
period.
started this conversation, you said the question I asked that you answered my question with. I asked you that, Top movie, did Wunmi sanction that burial by going or not? Then you immediately run back to that Punch news that there was a day Punch reported the news that so blah 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 Zlatan and Wunmi said they told Baba not to bury that child. That is why I have a problem with you. Now you are coming back to CTC, which is another case entirely. But let us iron this Punch thing. I am telling you categorically, Top movie, that it might be true that Punch reported that, but are you telling me that Punch reported what they heard Wunmi say to Baba, or they heard Zlatan told Baba, or they reported what Zlatan and Wunmi told them? Mistake them and say niye enye yan yi.
And I respond to you.
E man believe very much. Ngoko de sinu master plan.
You are speaking Yoruba.
I told you I don't what I'm telling you is that you should get your words right. Oh, ni sọ wípé Punch report pé wọ́n sọ fún Baba. That is wrong, man.
Wait. What you're saying now, you're speaking to yourself right now, because I don't understand whatever. You see all these things you spoke in Yoruba, I know yet Jack.
I'm not even ready to
if you're having a conversation with me and you decide to speak your language,
it's okay, Tom. Let me respond to your concerns. Okay. It's okay, 1 minute, please. Let me respond to your concern. You see, Tom, let's do this, okay? Can you hear me? Hello?
Papa, go ahead.
Hello?
I can hear
you. Hear me? All right. So
yeah.
The thing is this one. Make things very easy for yourself so that it will be easy for you and be easy for other people. I have different way I engage people depending on how much sometimes I see their capacity is. Sometimes I struggle to also catch up with other people's capacity. Let's not get it wrong. We all don't have the same capacity. Some people are very intelligent, they have very fast IQ. Some people are very low. And we have to, whenever you detect that, then you have to try to be more clear and elaborative. Sometimes you don't have to say many things, okay? You have to pick it one by one. Right? So let's pick everything you have said one by one, all right, so that we can make you yourself understand that. And I also want Sandy to support you as we are going into this Top movie. just because I heard you talking about the judicial approving social media as a place of information. I don't know whether you understood what you were saying. I want clarity on that. What do you mean? Do you mean that if social media, if newspaper posts something, so it's a fact? Is that what you were trying to say? Or what do you mean?
Okay. What I said, can you hear me, Paparano?
Sure, I hear you.
I said, okay, that the court approves.
And which court?
media.
Sorry, which court?
Wait now. I will come to that one after the other. Get my words right first, then we'll move to the which.
Don't forget, it is the law that is it's the legislature that makes law. Okay, we don't know. Are you talking about law or court? Because court, they have to be in case before the court.
Will calm down.
Okay. No, I just want to. I want to help you so that you'll be guided. Go on.
No, they put and say you want to help you.
Go on. Say what you want to say.
Allow me to say whatever I want to say. And I said that the court approved media as the channel of transmitting information.
Which court, please? Which court? Which court, please?
Now, and I now cited the issue that
you are making things difficult. You are making things difficult. Which court, please? Which court?
Calm down now. Calm down. I'm talking about the Corona court. I'm talking about the Ikorodu High Court. Remember that when they wanted to do their substitution method, they demand, wait now, Paparano, they advised them that they can, serve them through the media. Okay? Courts can give you alternative means of substitute a party through the media.
Wait, please. Just relax. Calm down. That's why I said that. Just relax. I don't know.
So
just
in that
relax.
sense,
Wait, Tomovi, wait, relax.
Wait now, Paparano, wait now. In that sense, whereby the court approves media, okay, to be able to serve a party in a particular judicial process.
You see, even Sandra ran away. Even Sandra ran away. Sandra run, leave you.
No, it's not about Sandra running away.
Sandra come back.
Wait now, what defense do you have to that? You when you talk with me, what defense do you have?
I will defend it. Let's bring Sandra back. Wait, Sandra come back so that you not just be you and you be feeling maybe people are oppressing you. Sandra, please come back so that at least you have a neutral.
No worries.
Now, stop worrying. Yeah. Now you shouldn't be mentioning the Corona court because the Corona court, first of all, has nothing to do.
Ikorodu court. Ikorodu High Court. That was where Mohbad wrote the application of DNA.
It's a magistrate court.
I said yes now. That's what I said. I was trying to refer to Ikorodu court. I don't mean the Corona.
Just wait. Even that you are still wrong. Okay. The application, I don't know what application you have, all right? The application...
I'm talking about this...
Stop forcing
method of...
Stop moving. I've been long on this case, and you met me on this case just from Mohbad. Okay? So please, just listen. There are places you can argue, there are places you can listen. The application that was filed by Mohbad father the second time. The first application, 2 applications was filed to the court. The first application was seeking the court's permission to deliver the motion to Wunmi by hand. And when the bailiff went and they couldn't find Wunmi, all that time Wunmi was not living in that house. Okay? So they had to reapply again, seeking the court permission to paste it in her former address gates. There is nowhere where they said they want to post it on the newspaper. There is nowhere in this case so far. If you can provide one, I'll be fine with it. And they have to post it. They have to paste it in that gate. Were you aware of that or not?
Paparano, I will bring that information to you.
Okay.
Now, remember, when they went to the gates, all right, and they pasted the gates. All right. There was an application that they wrote after they did not get her in that residence. Okay, and the application that you should know, I was giving reference to what the that what was obtained in court. Now, if you go to a particular resident of whoever party that is involved in the judicial process and you are unable to serve that party, okay, and when you apply for a substitutional means, the court may grant you the permission to serve through the media.
No. Stop moving. Please listen.
Apparently, wait now. True or false?
Now, okay, wait. It's okay. Just relax. You're saying it is whatever request. The court is never going to be used as a tool for every individual to fulfill or to think for you. The court don't think for you. The court is to grant whatever you request for or to reject it with some valid reason. Now, if you request from the court that in case this person is not found at home, that you want to serve this person through the media, as long as it's stated in the application, that may be granted by the court. But in this case of Mohbad, it was never stated to serve Wunmi through the media. It was stated to serve her by her last address gates, and that was what was granted by the court. Do you understand?
Paparano, do you understand our line of argument?
Yeah.
This is our line of argument. I want you to understand.
Yeah, I'm not arguing. I'm telling you what is right. You are the one trying to argue.
This is our line of argument because Dryer was coming from a point whereby he don't need to leave anything from the media space. And I'm making him to see
but wait,
that
it's a media effect. It's a media effect.
Wait.
You are too slow now. You have to be quick now. You're thinking it's a media effect. You are too slow. It's a media effect.
Wait now. You can get facts from the media.
But it's media fact. Does media represent fact?
You can get facts from the media.
That's not my question. Does media represent fact? It's a two different thing.
Media represent transparency. That is what I know.
That's not my question. It's a media fact. Simple.
You can get facts from the media. You
are bringing yourself in now. Let me make this guy understand things. It's media fact.
Paparano, what you understand is that you can get anything from the media. You can get facts from the media.
Anything from anything. Yeah, but there are procedures to establish whether it's factual. Just because it's on the media doesn't mean it's fact, right?
Now, what you understand is the details involved is what you look into. Paparano, when you get information from the media, Paparano, look at it this way. When you get information in the media, what you'll be more concerned is about the details in that information. Those details are what you're going to evaluate.
Why Sandra? Why you running this guy?
It's now. Those details there in the information is what you are going to evaluate to ascertain the facts, the factual base there. That is what you're going to do. Now, when the media wait now, calm down now. I don't know why your body they do fast, like say you want kanta, no. Allow me to learn so I can understand me. I told him that even the court approves the media as the tool of transmitting information, and that is true. When in a case, in the judicial case, that you don't have that capacity to serve the party involved, and you reach for substituted means of service, the court may grant you the right to serve whoever party involved through the media, television, and so on, online. That is the point I'm trying to make at that particular argument. All right? And I'm not trying to say that you cannot get whatever else on the media, but the details in the information is what you work with. Now, the information there entails that it was an interview with Wunmi, and all what they reported was what she said, and that was what they reported. And you that you're saying is a lie. You have not even worked with the details. If she actually got the interview with them, Like, why would somebody in that kind of credible media company come up and say, we interviewed this person and she said this thing, and she will not say it, she will now come up and say, she will not say anything. If you are reporting something negative about you today, and
can I ask you a question before you go further? I just have one question for you. No, wait. Wait, let me question top movie, please. Wait, you have said enough. Let me just ask you a question, then you will continue. Okay, you said the media. Yeah, well, let me. You said the interview Wunmi, and she said what happened, right? Right?
You need to
I said right. Yes or no? Wait now. Yes or no?
Wait, see, don't be asking me yes or no, because people will just no wait.
Oh God!
I need to make sure that you are in the same page.
Just simple question I want to ask you before we drag enough. Let me ask you stupid question. You said the Punch News posted that they posted that Wunmi what they interview Wunmi, that Wunmi and Baba told Zlanta and Wunmi told Baba not to bury Mohbad, and that's the fact, right?
Sazot, you allow me to tell you what
God.
I said.
Wait now, just say yes or
that
no.
Is what I said. Allow me to tell you what I said. Because if people are
okay, say what he said. Okay, say what he said. Okay, we are listening, but I don't want you to drag too much, please. This is very simple.
I am not dragging with anybody. Hello, listen to me. The only problem is that when I say things and they cut me short, they run up with things I did not say. This is what I said, okay? I said after the toxicology was read, 7th of June at the coroner inquest, okay? Wunmi was interviewed and she gave a response on what what her thought was concerning what transpired, and she said it was because of the decomposition and everything. She said if Baba did not bury him, at least we would have gotten a result. It wouldn't be inconclusive. And she mentioned that her in particular pleaded with him not to bury, not even her herself, even Bella. She mentioned names of people that asked him not to bury him. And I referred them to go and check Punch newspaper that interview was there. And somebody is saying that he did not believe the interview that is there in the Punch. And I said, how won't you believe a media body? Even courts approve media body as their medium of transmitting information. And that is when Pabarano came in, and I gave him instances that if there is a case of substitution service whereby you are not able to serve the party in person, the court may grant you to serve through the media. So why would somebody just say you don't believe it when there are details there in the information that so
Can I come in now?
What the person said.
I want to ask you
wait. Wait, we are here, man. Just call me. Wait. Okay, top movie. Okay, this same media house interviewed Baba, right? Right.
So I don't know about
this,
Baba.
Okay, for me, this same media you are saying about Wunmi, they interview Wunmi, they also interview Baba. So do you want to conclude now that all what Baba told them, Baba was right? That's the fact, right?
What Baba told them? I don't understand where you're coming from.
Like all the media that have interviewed Baba, and Baba said so many things, even about the lawyer, that he met the lawyer in the house, that there was medical attest for Mohbad, that there was a fake what can I say, this thing, a will signed by Tom Prince. Is that true? Is that not? Yeah, is it true? Yes, all the interview, because they are all media houses. So do you want to tell me that now? But my brother, I'm coming. I know top movie. He's very funny. Me too, I'm coming.
Wait, are you not done?
Yeah, I'm done. Are you done? Yes. Respond to me, please.
That is why I said, okay, so this is what I said. That's why I said you can find anything in the media. You can also find facts in the media. But what you understand is that in every information you find in the media, there are details that you will evaluate on. And that is why I gave instance in Dosie's statements in the CTC. And that is where I went to. I did not just give that media from Punch as my analogy example. I also had to refer to his CTC, the statement he made.
No.
So you now understand that I am collaborating what the media said. Wait.
Wait now. Wait. I know this guy in and out. I know his brain. Yes,
this is it. I am now trying to collaborate what I referred to in the media with what Baba said in the CTC at Corona. So in those two lines, he said this. Wunmi said this. Mohbad, Josie said this in the CTC. Now, if that particular statement she made to media that I begged him not to bury Mohbad and other people pleaded with him, that is what Wunmi said in the media. And Joseph Aloba said in the CTC, I did not consult them before I buried. I made the decision myself. Are they not saying the same thing that Baba did the burial himself?
Okay, let me answer you. Don't go further, please. Don't go further. Let me answer you. Is there any part in the CTC that Wunmi said what she said in the media that she and Zlatan begged Baba? Did she say that in the CTC? Can you read that part for us, please?
Sazot.
No. Can you read that for us?
I did not mention anything about Wunmi saying anything about Zlatan.
No, but you compare Baba's own. No, but you compare Baba's also statement to the CTC. The me too. I want to compare the media that Wunmi, the interview Wunmi, what she said to the media and what she said in the CTC. Is there anything the same thing? Is there anything like that?
You are not getting it now.
No, I'm getting it, top movie. I'm getting it.
Wait,
okay.
Calm down. Now, relax. Our point of contention is Josie buried Mohbad. Okay? Josie was the person that buried Mohbad. Okay? That is my stand. Okay?
No. That's your stand. That's your stand. But now, what was Mr. IT guy stand was Wunmi consented to it too. No. I will not forget. Wait. No, he was there because that was the point Dra was coming from. That Wunmi consented to the burial because if not, she also participated. She threw a white cloth, she threw sand, she participated. She never stopped anybody from not burying Mohbad. So it means she was also consented by it. So not only Baba buried Mohbad, Wunmi also buried Mohbad. In fact, if we want to say who actually we define the definition of burial, Wunmi will be in that category because she actually throws sand. Baba never throws sand. Baba never throws sand.
I can't stand up movie. I can't stand it. I can't stand someone.
Hello, if you cannot stand me, just go and sleep. Go and sleep. You cannot stand me, go and sleep.
Both sides.
Sazo, this is what I will tell you.
Just hold on.
Okay, tell me, man.
You can say whatever. Wait, Sazo.
No, we have to be factual in this thing. We have to be truthful. Let's say the truth. It will not buy us, please.
Let me tell you this. Sazo.
Okay.
Now, let me tell you this, okay? Now, if you want to understand very well this particular situation of argument, all you need to do is to read the CTC of Josie himself, speaking under oath at the Corona, telling everybody, target audience, that he was the one that solely decided to bury Mohbad without consulting anybody. Without consulting anybody. That is Josie's statement from now till ever. So if anybody is trying to change his statements, trying to cut him a slack, I will not blame that person. Because like I said, from the initial onset, he has been the person manipulating the sympathizing public. So many people are trying to come out from that manipulation. It will be difficult for people to come out from that manipulation, and it's okay, it's fine. But you will not change that statement that he has given under oath. And that statement will stand any day, any time.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, but top movie,
Right.
top movie, we are not denying that. But they would,
I'm sorry.
okay, go.
You see, top movies. I understand you now. I won't lie to you. I get your point, and I'm happy that you've made your point. For real, can we just move on? Because at this point, if Salzot will be really would want to tell you the truth, and Papariano here, and even this guy that just climbed up now, I mean, would just want to tell you the truth. You have successfully confused us today, because when we started having this particular conversation, you brought in the idea of CTC, and then Salzot is asking you a very germane question now, that point out to recite that part of CTC that Wunmi mentioned in there, that I and Zlatan said to Baba not to bury. Okay, good. Because then I when I wanted to answer you, I said forget CTC. That this was what I was thinking. Just forget that CTC. Let us talk about you talking about Punch News that reported that Wunmi told them, or that she and Zlatan, that they told Baba not to bury Mohbad. No, fact, you've laid it down. Then I asked you that, do you now say that Punch is reporting that based on the fact that they gathered, or based on what they heard from a report someone is giving to them? Then you go AY, you went wild on me. And then IT guy was trying to also make a meaning of the whole thing. But you successfully convinced us. You didn't convince anyone. I am not convinced. If others are convinced, no problem. But let us just move on for the moving on sake. Now, I want to bring another note, or like another line of thoughts with you, Top Movie. Now, Top Movie, are you saying that Wunmi have been so eager to get the same justice Baba Mohbad have been working towards to get? Has Wunmi been doing the same thing in tandem with what Baba Mohbad has been doing? Let us just have a little conversation around that.
This is what I will tell you, Dra, and I will be honest with you. Okay, I am not here to actually say I am trying to protect or support anybody. Okay, anytime I come up to speak, I always speak in the stand of the law. I always speak on the ground of the Constitution. I always try to be lawful, protecting legal rights. That is my point anytime I come up to speak. And if it happens that my legal way of communicating and supporting rights, okay, happens to support or happens to back an individual, that is how it is. If you decide to judge based on morals, there is always going to be conflict of interest, and that is what basically many people do. And that is why I'm different, because I believe in a criminal case it is done legally. Okay, that is what I believe, and legal right must be protected. Now, to answer you very well,
the issue of blood, where you see how far from that one.
Tell you, while I was having conversation with you, I did not come all out to you. And I'm not trying to convince anybody. I'm not saying anything I will say here. You should pick it and you should. On yourself at any point in time, you will have a better soft landing and a positive conclusion in making your decision at the end of the day. And that's the best I can do.